TR here. This video will cover the 3 content pages you need to review in order to do your cover letter assignment. Let's take a look at the first content page. Cover letter is a tool that you will use to make a great first impression. Read this content, watch this video, review the suggestions. Second content page, cover letter format, key points to note. All this information should be supplied unless you're doing an email. Separate and vertically stack your information. For me, name the person who will receive the letter. I always believe, and I have run a business in the past, that anybody who spends the time to find out my name or the name of the person who will be doing the hiring will go to the front of the line. As we scroll down, again, be sure that you put the position you're applying for. Notice that all this information is vertically stacked. You've got your greeting, be sure you give their name, and then you have 3 paragraphs, and sincerely, and then your name underneath that. We have a couple links for cover letter examples. Take your time and review this information. Let's go to the third content page, which is the assignment cover letter. In this content page, carefully read the content that we're providing for you. Hugely important is the marking rubric. I'm going to open that, and you will see the document that I use to mark your assignments. Okay. Carefully read this, because this is how I review and give the mark that I do give for the assignment. Now, once you have created your cover letter, and it should only be a page, you will go to the assignments, this link up here. You will open that, and then you will look for the assignment submission folder cover letter, and then you will upload that document. Upload that document into this folder. If you have any questions or concerns, as always, use your private discussions, and I will do my best to help. Thanks. Have a great day.